Before we dive into the 5 skills, I want to explain a little bit about how this process is going to work. While you can work on the skills by yourself, we encourage people to work in small groups and share their reflections with each other. This helps you better learn and retain the skills, and you learn from others. This process has 3 parts. The first part is to think about a time in your life where you used a specific skill. So why do we do this? We're going to do a little experiment here. What I'm going to ask you to do is to say your name out loud, and then I'm going to ask you a couple questions, and I'd like you to answer them as quickly as possible. Okay? So here we go. So say your name out loud. Come on, try louder. Okay, so here we go. What color is this paper? What do cows drink? How many people said milk? Cows drink water. Why does that happen? It's called associative learning. If you've ever taken a psychology course, you know from Pavlov and his dog experiment, where he rang a bell and presented them with food, and then after a while he just rang the bell and they salivated anyway, because they'd paired the 2 events. That's the exercise. This is how we learn. So part of knowing that you've used this skill before empowers you and helps you understand, okay, I know how to do this. Next, we apply each skill to a current challenge in your life. We know learning is more effective when the skill has a practical application in your life. The educational term for this is problem-based learning. Finally, we'll ask you to brainstorm keywords or phrases for each of the skills and write them down and share them with the people in your cohort. Writing down those keywords encodes them more deeply in your brain, and sharing them with others makes them more memorable.